friends, today we're going to draw a sunrise.
Yeah, we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. This is a quick preview of how it turns out at the very end. And we used our gel crayons, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You could use colored pencils or even oil pastels. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's start with our purple crayon and we'll draw the mountain. I'm going to draw an upside down letter V in the middle of my paper, but towards the bottom, so that we have room for the sun coming up over the mountain. Yeah. Then we could also add a little snow at the top. I'm going to draw a little wiggly line. And then let's color in the shape below, or just below the snow. We're going to leave the snow white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video for extra time so you can color your drawings too. Now let's switch to our orange crayon for the sun coming up over the mountain. So we're going to draw a big circle, but we're going to start here and we're going to draw it coming around and connecting to the other side. Oh, love how big your sun is. And then let's also draw sun rays. I'm going to draw little dashed lines coming off of the sun so that it looks super bright. Now let's switch to our yellow and color in the circle or the sun. There's our sunrise, except we're not completely done.
Still need a funny face.
Yeah. Yeah, let's add a funny face. I'm going to draw a smile right here for the sun. And then I'm going to draw a circle and color it in on each side. Yes. Oh, that's super cute. I love how little the eyes are. And then we can also add a happy smile down here. I'm going to change it so that it's open. This mouth is open. And then I'm going to draw the eyes on both sides too. Oh, and one more thing. I know you always like to add. Oh, I like that eye. It almost looks like it's winking or it's closed. Yes, it is winking. Now we can switch to our pink if you want. And you can also add little pink cheeks on your sun. And maybe the mountain too. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our sunrise. And I also like that we added a little black line for the mountain and also around the sun. It makes it really stand out.
Yeah, but my favorite part is the cheeks.
Yeah, that's my favorite part too. And also that sun face.
We hope you have fun drawing a sunrise.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.